Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah.
Nababakabalan, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louis.
My name is Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, guys, we were invited for the grand opening of Eggies outlet store dito po sa Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
So this is their 5th branch.
Yes, congratulations, no?
Meron sila dito sa Pampanga, and you could see on our back, syempre yung mga products nila.
Anyway, if you want to know more about the products na naka-display po dito, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies.
Yun guys, so this is Eggies outlet store located po to sa Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga, and we were invited for their opening day. Coming in here, ayan, so ito yung mga makikita natin mga items dito. So they have sandals, they also have dresses for women, for ladies. Ganun din ng mga hoodies. I mean, look at this guys, hoodie jacket for 299 pesos only. Ganda nito guys, so choose happy. Ayan, so more items. Meron din silang, of course, footwear. Prices starts at 399 pesos only. And I think mga pinupuntahan talaga nila dito, ang daming pupunta dito for their mga t-shirts. Yan, so if you notice guys, meron tayong mga pang old school. We also have yung parang mga pang sporties. Then additionally, ayan, dami mga bags. Ayan, mga lifestyle bags natin dyan. Napakamura guys, for only 500 pesos. Yung mga t-shirt nila at ano, ayan, starts at 199. Tops for ladies starts at 99 pesos, 119, 149 pesos. Ang dami pa. Oh, wow. Look at these short shorts. Short shorts, Lacoste. Ayan, Lacoste guys, available dito.
Ako po yung Kerwin Giao. Welcome to kayo po sa naging Eggies Dolores San Fernando. Dini po tinindami sir, may haliwang baro, shorts, at yung sapatos sa high quality, at dakal pong promo, bags, accessories. Price range ko may pong kay 400. Napakamura may po. Tapos yung kay sir, high quality na po rin design sa kakakit nyo po. Paring t-shirts, Nike, Vans, Dodgers, Champions, halos po rin mga yan. Halos po. Lalo na po rin kay Dry Fit.
This is the wall for their footwear. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ito yung mga gusto kong mga Yeezy. 1,700 pesos only. Ayan. This one, ito alam ko James Harden to, no? Yun, no? 1,750 James Harden. Sa mga classic naman, yan, meron tayong mga Air Force at the same time. Yan, mga classic Adidas. Ayan. This one is a Broomfield. Ayan, magkano to? 1,500. 1,500 na.
So, sa mga mahilig naman sa mga Air Force One, yan. So, it's 1,550. So, tingnan mo naman yung colorway niya. May ibang ano. Ganda.
Stick, di ba? Meron din tayong mga pang ano, skater shoes. Like this one. Like skater shoes, no? 400 pesos only. Skater shoes.
Slip-on na slippers. So,
meron tayong Adidas, Nike, Crocs. Ayan, Vans. Ayan. Ang dami pa. So, si Eggies outlet store dito po sa Dolores is actually their 5th branch. So, meron na po sila sa Tarlac. They also have 3 in Mabalacat. And then this is the 5th. Nandito po tayo sa Dolores City of Sanfernando, Pampanga. Actually, location nito is sa Pistahan building, MacArthur Highway, Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga. If you're coming from Dolores intersection.
So, yung pinaka-landmark dito is yung PSD Bank or yung simbahan ng Dolores San Fernando.
Yep.
I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom.
Open kayo po daily sir, maka-open kayo po 9 AM hanggang till 8 PM yung day. Yung location niyo po pala, ganyan po yan pong Pistahan Building, Dolores City of Sanfernando, Pampanga. Mga kabalayan, nagkada kayo po kening Stormy, Dumayo, nung bisa kayo po umurat, kalidad, Abaro, keniyang pong Eggies, Dolores, San Fernando.
Sleep, no rest. Might crash, might, but first I tell them run it. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Niger, he'll come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain.
Alright, so yun guys, if you're looking for your OOTD, kung ikaw yung millennial na naghahanap ng mga kumbaga lifestyle wear, so this is an urban lifestyle outlet store. This is Eggies, Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
So you can choose from sapatos, t-shirt, pang exercise nyo, shorts, or anything na kakailangan niyo sa mga OOTD nyo.
So there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and keep safe.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.